Hi, Wonder Kids. Welcome back to Wonder Kids Planet, the best place to learn new things every day. In today's video, we are going to have fun with numbers from 1 to 10. Are you excited? Let's get started. 1 is the first and smallest number that we can count. It is also the number of suns that shine bright in our sky. Can you say 1? Good job! 2 is the second number that we can count. It is the number of eyes, ears, hands and feet that we have. It is also the number of wings that help a bird fly. Can you say 2? Well done! 3 is the third number that we can count. It is the number of sides and corners that make a triangle. It is also the number of primary colors that we can use to paint beautiful pictures. Can you say 3? Awesome! 4 is the fourth number that we can count. It is the number of legs that a dog, a cat or a cow has. It is also the number of seasons that change throughout the year: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Can you say 4? Great! 5 is the fifth number that we can count. It is the number of fingers and toes that we have on each hand and foot. It is also the number of vowels that we use to spell words: A, E, I, O and U. Can you say 5? Amazing! 6 is the sixth number that we can count. It is the number of faces that a cube has. It is also the number of strings that make music on a guitar. Can you say 6? Fantastic! 7 is the seventh number that we can count. It is the number of days that we enjoy in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. It is also the number of colors that create a rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Can you say 7? Wonderful! 8 is the eighth number that we can count. It is the number of arms that an octopus has. It is also the number of planets that orbit around our Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Can you say 8? Excellent! 9 is the ninth number that we can count. It is the number of lives that a cat is believed to have. It is also the number of players that each team has in a baseball game. Can you say 9? Brilliant! 10 is the 10th and final number that we learned today. It is the number of fingers and toes that we have in total. It is also the number of pins that we try to knock down in a bowling game. Can you say 10? Outstanding! You did it, Wonder Kids! You learned all about numbers from 1 to 10 today. Give yourself a big clap. Thank you for watching this video on Wonder Kids Planet. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel bell, and share it with your friends. Hooray! See you next time.